Hey everybody, Carl here with Apt, and we've got a brand new Fitbit product for you, the Fitbit Versa. So this, as you can see here, is slightly different design than some of their previous models. So we're going to open this and take a look and see what comes inside of the box. This one doesn't have any plastic on the outside, so it should be fairly simple. I'll just slide that out, and top comes open pretty easily here. It's just a couple of magnets, and then first thing we see is the device itself, and then we've got some literature. So we've got just some, looks like some pictures on the inside of here. It gives you a few details, and then under that you can kind of tell what comes in there. You got a charging cable and the extra band, but we'll open it anyway so you can take a look. So here we've got the large band. It's labeled right there on the front, so this will give you a little extra breathing room. And then we've got the charging cord. Set that off to the side for a sec, and there's actually more underneath there, and just some more literature. That looks to be it for the box. And then here we'll take the watch out. There's a little flap that you can kind of lift up on, and that just pulls out of place. It's got a nice light feel to it. I'll move that off to the side. Take the cover off, see if we can get this thing, oh, look at that. It turns on after you take the cover off, I think. That's what's happening here, it looks like. So we'll give that a second to kind of turn on. It's got a nice looking screen on it, gives you a little battery indicator up there in the top corner. Now we've got some words popping up on the screen. Can't really read it because it's upside down. Looks like it's a bunch of different languages too. And then here we've got the charging cradle. See if we can get that out of there and show you. So just a USB connection on the one end, and then the other end goes straight into the charger, so it's not removable. I'll take off the plastic here. And it's got some little covers. I'm not totally sure what those are for, so we'll find out about that and go into a little more detail in our product overview video. But to charge it, you can see it's got these little contacts on the back here, it looks like. So those contacts are just going to match up with the 4 little contacts right there. And it just sits on top there. Actually, it doesn't. It feels like it's gonna snap into place. I think that might be what. There we go, look at that. So you pinch those, we figured it out. You pinch there on the glossy part, and that's gonna open this up, so it kind of clamps it into place, if you can see that. So you set it down, push on those, and it'll hold it right in place. That's gonna make it easier to charge so it doesn't pop out of there. So for now, that's the Fitbit Versa. That's what comes in the box. We appreciate you guys checking out our video, and make sure you stay tuned because we're going to do an overview for you on this brand new product from Fitbit.